Howdy folks, this is Nigel at Spiritual Awareness New Zealand on, what is it, Thursday, the 8th of March 2018 at 9:58 am. Supposed to be at work already, but it's pissing down outside and looking absolutely horrible, and I had a quick look on Met service as I have it on a page now. And something really quite bizarre actually, but in my last video I showed how I mentioned how they're trying to keep cloud over New Zealand, and this is just so evident that they have been doing a little bit of weather manipulation to swing this cloud around and pull it back over New Zealand to keep this going, and it seems that intention is really, one thing that I have come to the conclusion of, and a good few others have as well, is that this weather modification is not a small game. It's huge. It's global. It's really global. And so the size, because the technology exists to actually alter weather worldwide right now, and the the size that they can actually influence is just massive. And this actually shows you here. Now, at the moment, we have the prevailing weather came from, all of this cloud that we've got here came from Australia, and you can see that connection still there, right? Now, as we run this through, what was really bizarre, bloody telephone going. Oh, don't worry, I'm still here. Okay, so what happened is this tail here drops off this one and moves over to Cyclone Hola or however you want to say it. But you watch that, see how it's moving over there, and it connects up directly right onto, I hate the blinks on this thing, to the hurricane here, right? And now, have a look at this. See that lines, direct line down there, direct line down there. There's a big triangle, if you like, right? Now that, to me, ain't natural. That's EMF being used. That straight line effect like that. It's too straight. It's too, yeah. Anyway, but have a look at that. How that moves over this line here moves. This tail of all this prevailing weather has moved over and shifted to Cyclone Hola right there. Bam. Crazy, huh? What else have I got here? Oh, there was a couple of big quakes this morning. One 20k west of Kaikoura, 9k depth. It's very shallow, 4.7. So that's a big shake, that one. And then there was an earlier one, a 4.1 at 40k southwest of Wanganui. So we've had a big one in the South Island and a big one in the North Island as of this morning. Big, 4 plus, So now when this hurricane, which is actually going to come down, and it's going to probably come down on the east coast of the North Island by the look of it. But these weather events also have a habit of having earthquakes accompanying them, and I would say with all the weather let's say EMF and geoengineering, with all of the EMF and so forth that's been going on here, it's it's quite on the cards that there could be more quakes in the next week or two as well. So so watch out for that and stay safe. That's all I can say. This is Nigel at Spiritual Awareness New Zealand, checking out